All right, we got another C8 Z06 in today. Do a little walk around. This one's definitely different. It's convertible. Seems to be a higher trim package. Guy's got a whole bunch of visual mods done to it, wheels, engine modification stuff, all these covers. Eric's taking everything apart right now.
Like front strut spacers are like.
Okay, well, you just show them to me.
Show them to you.
Yeah, cool. So Eric's gonna break into this now. He's done one already when I think I was at MIR, but I haven't seen him do one, so I figured we'll just film it and show you guys like a breakdown on how this part goes on. So we'll update soon. He's got some custom paint match wheels on it. I'll throw up some photos as well. I took a whole bunch of flash photos of this car, so we'll show you all the ins and outs of it. It's a pretty cool car. Getting it removed now. So he had to remove his, there was a plug on this. He removed the plug and slid that off. So now we can remove the spring, I assume.
This is gonna suck, dude. With this new socket, man, I just don't know what else to do. Not being able to use my fucking hand sucks.
Yeah. Especially your right hand.
Yeah. Especially now that my left hand's got a fucking giant hole in it.
Yeah. Everything's broken down back over to the table.
This collar
Uh-huh.
will be replaced with this collar from Paragon Performance.
Okay. And that's the only actual change that's being made?
Yep. All it does is offset it lower, so it lowers the vehicle. Back together. You don't have to line your marks up right now, but
Okay.
So once you get it back in the spring compressor,
You'll turn everything and then tighten it down. It was just that one little piece right there. Where's your OEM? Line up all your marks after you get it over. So you lined everything up, and he's gonna come back down.
all right, now that I got it back on the table, I'll just, you know, put my connector back on and
Right.
we'll go back up in the car.
On the next one, I'll show or I can just show it right now, but he had to remove this piece and that piece off this connector to get it to slide off. So, drop the strut back in, and we'll just have to get everything rebolted back up and tightened, and should be good on this side, and then we can move to the next side. All right, everything's buttoned back up on this side. Good to go. It's gonna go on over to the passenger side, do the same thing. I'll just show it in a more condensed form, and then we'll drop the car down and see how everything looks. Last one in now. He just needs to get it all installed and tightened back up, and then should be coming down, and see what it looks like. So we'll let him finish this, and then we'll show you like a before and after. I got photos when the car first came in with nothing done, so should be able to compare. I'll take photos after in the same kind of spot, same angle, so we can see the difference, and I'll also do walk around video, so it should look good. All right, Eric's just testing it out now. You can come across. Testing it out. I think that's where it sits, maxed out. So we'll take it off the lift, take it outside, so it's a little easier to see. All right, Eric got this cts-v all finished up. All we did was do the suspension. Did get photos, so I'm gonna show a photo now and then what it looks like after. It's definitely significantly lower and just has a better stance overall. Looks really nice. And here's the rear. So a little bit of gap there, not a lot of gap at all up front anymore. There was a pretty big gap with it all the way down, so I think it looks a lot better. I'll just show it from this side. So I've got transports on the way to get this now. So there we go. So this one's all wrapped up. Definitely should be happy with it. Like I said, guys, on the way, and we're ready for the next one.